Hello, you are welcome to Icidat CBT computer-based test. Is a powerful platform that gives users, organizations, institutions to carry out exams, quiz, tests of any type online or using any network. It gives users or institutions, it allows them to create multiple choice questions, has question banks. You can edit it, you can import questions, you can export questions, use multimedia questions, images and audios and even videos. It has examination eligibility of either for registered users or non-registered users. You can create paid exams where you paid before writing the exams. You can configure the exam times. You can also schedule the time based for the exam. It's either from this minute to this minute. Let me log in as we go through the admin dashboard, so you can see clearly all the functionality the software has. So again, I said it gives institution the privilege to create exams of different sorts, of different kind. So you're welcome to the Icidat CBT. These are the number of users registered, the number of categories of exams, the number of exams. It also gives you can also upload study material for your users to download and go through and study. And you can also, it has paid exams and free exams. As long as the user is registered, he has access to writing exams. And can create categories here, category list. Let me click show you. These are categories so far. These are the categories 1, 2, 3. You can add a category here. This exam is for medical students. It's a category. This exam is for engineering student. It's a category. You can decide to display this category on home page or the menu if you wish to, by selecting this. And here gives you the access to create the quiz list or exams list, add quiz or exams, or quiz grading, the type of grading you want to add, and sections, right? So let me show you the list already created. So here, so this particular exam have 5 questions and the duration is 6 minutes, and the status is available right now. And the category of this exam is 12 class. These are just dummy data. Sorry. So you can add an exam by clicking here. So you select the category, you add the title of the exam. You can select the status here, number of questions the exam will carry, and the duration, that's the time frame of the exam. You can enable or disable previous button. You can, if you enable this, once your a student or your user click next or answer a particular question, cannot go back. So you can select, is it a random question? You'll be picking the question from any angle. In a case whereby you have 2 different people sitting at the same place and you don't want them to have access to the same question at the same time, you click here You can randomize even the question choice. It can be A, B, C in the other. Another one would be C, B. I mean, however, it will be rearranged on different session by different person. So you can enable your passing mark 50%, how many percent, based on how you choose to allow it to go. So you write description about this exam here. There are information you want people to know about this exam, even if it is pictures, videos. You can add them here, add a picture, add a video. More information you want people to know about this exam, you add it here. Alright, so here let me show you. From here you can edit an exam. Alright, as the admin can edit a particular exam. This exam has 5 questions. The name of this exam is on bank category, and the title of the exam is MBM. It's just dummy data. So you can see marks for correct answer is 1. You can change it to maybe 10. For correct answer, the marks will be 10. The percentage, you can evaluation test, no price. If you want to set it for per paid, you want to put to schedule this. The exam start on this time, finish on this time. So it's time bound if you want it to be so. After this time, nobody have access to this anymore. Alright, and then here, this is how you can add questions. Here you can add question. You can add questions here. Title of your question, if you wish to add image, add video. You can add links if you wish people to have access to some other link outside. You can add that. So you can see there are tons of things to use. Style, pick here, edit your question, the title of your question. If you wish to import image, you do so here, or audio, upload, you do so here. Admin question type, you do so. Alright, so here you add your question choice. Here is the solution to the question. Here's the question, here the solution, here the question choice. Right, so you can add more. So back here you can set up your quiz or exam grading, paragraph and sections. Here it can be from first section to second section, different sections. So you can just edit, delete or add sections. So like I said, you can configure exam time. It has date and time based access restriction, number of questions, different settings. You can add study material for users to have access to. Here, study material, you click here, you see you have access to study materials. All these are study material for different categories. Medical entrance, for civil service, different categories. Like I said, the categories, you add the materials here for your users to have access to and study before the exam or the quiz or the test. So here, users, set up users and the payment list and the membership list. You do settings here and setting on your institutions, your language, and so on and so forth, is a very powerful CBT software. You can click allow, like I said earlier, forward and backward, allowed or not, create category, you can randomize questions, you can allow the display of results to students. All right, while I was setting the question, it's there. Let me just show you. Let me just use one of these exams and quickly show you. It is, so you can import here you can import an Excel file questions. If you need a sample on how it should be, you download this. All right, then you upload, you select, you upload. You can overwrite what is already there, and you can just add to what is already there. So rating, preview, and reports, you can download a report on the particular exams. All right, so you can print out your report, print Excel the report of that particular exam, the student, number of pass, everything, the particular exam carry. So I want to show you the question settings. So add a question. So here, yeah, good. So same thing on the quiz. So as you can see, it's random questions, it's a random choice, require passing mark, to disable results. You don't want people to see their results, you click here. If you want them to see their results, you leave it. Display on leaderboard, and then price, if you want to put a price to it. All right, on this exam. All right, so the instruction of the exam can be written here. Let's say question 1 and 2 are compulsory. Question this and this, and however you wish to put the description of your exams should be here, and should be stated out clearly so that they can read and have a clear understanding of it. So thank you for going through our Icidat CBT demo. If you wish to do business with us, you can reach out to us. We stand by our work. If you need any further modification, we can agree on time and delivery and price, then you get it done. Thank you from Icidat Technology.